So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, a very, very good evening to one and all. If you're watching me, this is Vishal Saini and welcome to this YouTube channel. Today, we have a very special guest with us. His name is Paritosh Sinha and we have angel coach Sunita Bharioke. She's from Delhi. And I was informed by the coach Sunita that Paritosh was 36 years of age and from Bangalore. And he was having health issues like severe gas problem, bloating, thyroid, skin issues, had dark spots on neckline, forehead, underarms, asthma, occasional use of inhaler, back pain, fatigue, obesity 94 kg, all issues resolved, and he is right now currently 87-88 kgs in just 3 months, not on any medication now. Earlier had inhaler and antacids. So I'll come directly to you, Paritosh. If you can please unmute yourself and share your experience.
Hello, sir. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. How are you?
Okay, I'm doing good, sir. So I came to your community from Amor Karale's, community. So I was joining one of the sessions, so आपको वहाँ से मिला. And before that, I got my health checkup done, and I was identified as pre-diabetic. Okay, my both parents are doctors. Okay, good that you guys came in my life before I started the medicine. नहीं तो medicine start होने वाली थी लगभग. Thyroid भी थोड़ा निकला. And when I talked to ma'am explained me everything quite decently कि क्या करना है पूरे 3 महीने प्रोसेस में क्या क्या होगा and how we are going to do that step by step. And ma'am का एक good thing was she was always saying what if मैं अच्छा खाऊं, what if I can travel with my family, like what if you can eat whatever I want to eat, right? So what if was the key thing. First week में whatever the diet ma'am gave me, right? पहले दिन से बॉडी ने अच्छा बिहेव करना शुरू किया. It started reacting. गैस का प्रॉब्लम 50% फर्स्ट वीक में ही चला गया. That trick, whatever ma'am told me, was 50% gone.
Amazing.
Okay. I had some strength issues as well. Okay. December I traveled to Kashi Vishwanath temple on 25th December. 3.5 hours it took me time to get the darshan, and I was holding my 3-year-old son in my hand 1 week. And that's why I told ma'am कुछ तो mindset change हुआ, कुछ food habits change हुआ, and then I triggered कि आपने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली थी कि treat your body as a temple. So कुछ thought process change हुआ, मैम के efforts के साथ चीजें change होने लगी. And I'll show you something. ये आपको दिख रहा है सर यहाँ पे
जी.
This is the gallstones of my wife. ठीक है, काश आप मुझे पहले मिल गए होते, but this is my motivation. क्योंकि ज्वाइन करना is one thing, understanding is one thing, but ये मेरे घर में हो चुका है. And then I realized with food, and we were on lot of paneer, milk, cheese. I admit that. वो कम होता गया, अभी लगभग 95% कम हो गया. We hardly eat those things. Everything as an alternative, and that's what we have to understand, right? And it's also more about education. हमें education नहीं होती है कि क्या खाना है, कब खाना है, कैसे खाना है, कितने बजे खाना है, कब उठना है. Basic nature thing, right? आप रात में वाईफाई ऑफ करके सो, फोन को दूर रख के सो. एंड ये ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे 1 हफ्ते लगेंगे ये सब आइडेंटिफाई करने में. एक दिन में ये चेंजेस दिखने लगे. कि जब when you dim all the lights, नाइट ऑफ करके सो, सब शांति से सो, एंड देन व्हेन यू वेक अप द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग यू आर फ्रेश, राइट? सो छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, एंड इट्स अ वे ऑफ लाइफ. आई सेड दैट आई हैव आल्सो गिवन अ नोट टू मैम, इट्स अ तप, इट्स अ साधना. ये 3 महीने की बात नहीं है. ये जब तक मैं जिंदा हूं तब तक मुझे फॉलो करना ही है चीजों को, और ये मुझे, मेरे भाई और मेरी फैमिली सबको इन सब चीजों से फायदा हुआ है. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ ये मेरे लिए था, राइट? एंड आई हैव अ ट्विन ब्रदर, सेम प्रॉब्लम्स. सबको ठीक हो रहा है, सब कुछ वी आर गेटिंग बेटर. सो काफी इंप्रूवमेंट हुआ है सर. आई वुड रिकमेंड एवरीवन टू गो फॉर इट, राइट? एंड सी द चेंज एंड फॉलो इट व्हाटएवर द कोच इज सेइंग. सो
अमेजिंग परितोष, थैंक यू सो मच. मेरा तो 2-3 किलो खून बढ़ गया. सुनीता, आपका कितना बढ़ा ये बताओ. ओवर टू यू. आते नहीं लोग, बताते नहीं, अपने लोग आके बता रहे. दिस समथिंग वेरी मैजिकल. थैंक यू परितोष. या ओवर टू यू सुनीता. हाउ वाज योर जर्नी?
Good evening, everyone. Thank you, Vishal. Thank you, Paritosh, for such a brilliant testimony. In fact, most of the credit goes to Paritosh himself, because he was so positive. The day he joined, of course, whatever I told him, he followed. And all I ask all my clients is, just give me those 100 days with commitment and faith. Don't question much. If you just follow, even to the tune of 90%, I'll be happy and you will see the difference. He followed everything. And of course, आपकी छत्र छाया में थोड़ी NLP मैं भी यूज करती हूँ. What if affirmations नहीं, affirmations कराती हूँ, और उससे ट्रिगर होता है पॉजिटिविटी. If I say I am healthy, it's a statement. When I say what if I am healthy, it triggers a positive emotion. That's what he did, and right from the first day it started making a difference.
Very nice.
Paritosh का सबसे अच्छी चीज थी, whether it was Ho'oponopono, I know I give it to everybody, but आधे से ज्यादा लोग नहीं करते हैं. वो सोचते हैं 4 लाइन बोलने से क्या होगा. Way he did it, एकदम, and he knew कि उससे इतना फर्क पड़ रहा है. See, it's just the trust that he had and the way he followed and the positivity that he had. He told me he had the same issues as his twin, and उनके black spots कम होने लगे हैं और भाई के अभी भी हैं और बढ़ रहे हैं. तो मैंने बोला आपके कम होते देखेंगे, वो अपने आप encourage हो जाएंगे. आप बस करते रहो. Just be the role model and every. So as I could hear him today, सारी फैमिली को असर हो रहा है और फायदा हो रहा है. What else can we look for? Thank you so much. Thank you for giving us
Thanks a lot, man.
believing in us.
Thank you so much, Sunita. You are truly a magician, right? And the best thing I liked was when Paritosh said कि मतलब मेरे घर में सब फॉलो कर रहे हैं. मतलब इससे अच्छी चीज क्या हो सकती है कि भाई एक जना कर रहा है, वो रिजल्ट्स ला रहा है, तो सब एक मोटिवेशन आ रहा है. तो इट इज लाइक योर पर्सनैलिटी बिकम्स सो कंटेजियस कि लोग बोलते हैं भाई मुझे आपके जैसा बनना है. तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम इतने अच्छे कैसे हो गए, तुम्हारी स्किन अच्छी कैसे ग्लो कर गई है, राइट? इट बिकम्स कंटेजियस. एंड आई थिंक if one person does, an entire family follows that, problem solved.
Especially the family of doctors. His both are doctors, total allopathy, and such a change, and them also following. It's good. It's great.
So after sir, I mean, I'm not saying allopathy is bad, but there's a big cartel that you talked about in our high workshop, and everyone agrees to that, right? So
it's a world, it's like pros and cons. So naturopathy के भी कुछ limitations हैं, allopathy के में, but at the end we realize that कि अगर इंसान बढ़िया है ना, सारे सिस्टम बढ़िया. अगर आपका एक हीलर, चाहे वो एलोपैथी हो, होम्योपैथी हो, आयुर्वेद हो, यूनानी हो, if the person knows their boundaries and they honestly tell to their patient कि भाई देखो ये हमारे limitations हैं, ये इसके pros and cons हैं, now you decide. That is the best healer in my view. Very nice. So I think it was really awesome meeting with you, Paritosh. Thank you so much one more time, and thank you so much, Coach Sunita. Thank you so much. Very nice.